If your Microsoft Word pages are moving side to side instead of scrolling up and down, don't worry, this is a quick setting you can change in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to switch page movement back to the view that works best for you, so you can read and edit your document more comfortably. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tips and Word tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your document in Microsoft Word and look at the ribbon at the top of the screen. You're going to click the View tab. The View tab is where Word keeps the display and layout options, so this is the place to change how your pages move on screen. Once you're in the View tab, look for the Page Movement section. In that section, you'll see the Side to Side option. Click Side to Side to switch the page movement to horizontal scrolling. This is especially useful if you want pages to move from left to right instead of the traditional vertical movement. As soon as you select it, Word will update the document view and you'll notice the pages now move side to side. If you ever want to change it back later, just return to the same View tab and choose the other page movement option available in your version of Word. That's all there is to it. In just a moment, you've changed how page movement works in Word and made the interface fit your preference a lot better. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick Word fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.